Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is We Try Vegan number 6. So we're on our way to Imagine Vegan Cafe in Midtown Memphis. It's actually Cooper Young. So it's a beautiful day, and so I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm not gonna vlog inside, but I will do kind of like a voiceover, and then at the end I will give you guys my rating. So let's get into it. So Imagine Vegan is tucked away in the center of Cooper Young. Cooper Young is a really cool area. It's a very hip place in Memphis and just a very open-minded community, and this is where you find lots of restaurants and places to hang out at, and Imagine Vegan just happens to be here. So this is a really cool minimalistic place, wooden, very minimal colors, nice and bright, and I just love how inviting it is. Their menu is also very similar, just straight to the point, black and white, and I love that they kind of explain that even though everything says cheese, milk, and those kind of things, that it is vegan, so they don't have to explain in every sentence. So they do offer a wide variety of different things, and I love that they offer such a big menu, because when you're visiting a city, you definitely want to have options, especially when you're in the South. So it's really cool that they have this huge menu with so many options, even a dedicated kids menu, which is freaking amazing. So of course, my favorite thing to order from Imagine Vegan is the appetizer platter. It is $8.99 and it comes with 2 of everything. So 2 pigs in a blanket, 2 potato skins with bacon, buffalo wings, chicken wings, and 2 hush puppies. And it comes with ranch and sour cream, and they are both equally delicious. I usually don't like these kind of sides, but they are freaking delicious. I highly recommend. This was my first time getting the barbecue platter, so it's basically a barbecue sandwich with coleslaw on top, baked beans, fries, and I also added a side of mac and cheese. This is a mixed cheese mac and cheese. They have like 3 options, so I went for the mixed. And honestly, everything was just so freaking delicious. I highly recommend coming, and I promise you will not be disappointed. So now it's time for my review. Alright guys, so I am back, and it was super delicious. The last time I came here, all I got was desserts, and I really didn't do a sit-in because it was kind of empty and it was pretty late, so I just got desserts, and I honestly really didn't enjoy it. And before that, the first time that I came here, I think I don't know if I lived here or if I was just visiting, but I came with Errol and we decided to try it out. I don't even think I was vegan back then, but I was wanting to try it, and I was like, that's when I was like transitioning into my vegan lifestyle. And it was really good, it was really cool, and I was really impressed. And then I realized that they tend to sell like a lot of products that you can buy at the store, and then it was like, I was kind of iffy because why would I spend my money when I can just buy these things at the store? But the reason why I enjoy it so much is because of the fact that you can bring people here and really show them that vegan food is delicious. And I love it because they're embracing different companies, different products, and they make a lot of stuff, but they also sell stuff that you can buy at the store. So I was just really against that, but coming here today really showed me that it is super delicious. Also, the wide variety of different people that came into the restaurant was amazing. So many African American people from the community were coming in, and a lot of them, I heard them having conversations, they weren't even vegan, but they were loving the food. So it's really nice to see that the vegan population is growing and that people are being very open to trying new food. So that is freaking amazing. In regards to the food, it was so good. I am super full though for some reason, so I really didn't eat much, but I did try my food. I will show you. So the first thing that I got was the platter, and it has basically like baked potato with bacon on it, chicken tenders, buffalo tenders, hush puppies, and some like celery and carrots. What else was on there? Oh, they have like pigs in a blanket, and I think that's it, I want to say. If not, I will show in the video. So good. That's like my favorite things to get from here always whenever I come here. The hush puppies, they are so freaking good. I've never really been a fan of hush puppies, but these are super delicious. They also pair it with sour cream. The sour cream is delicious. I don't know if they make it in-house, but I'm pretty sure they do. They also make their own vegan ranch. So if you're not in Memphis, or you don't live in Memphis or live near here, they also sell their vegan ranch in like multiple stores around the US. So just go to their Instagram handle. It's Imagine Vegan Cafe, and you can find like their store locator, and they'll show you like where they sell it at. There's tons of places that are selling their vegan ranch, and it's so delicious. I actually had it when I came to the Cooper Young Festival about 1.5 years ago, or maybe 2 years ago, and they were giving out free samples. That's when they first made it, and it was so good. So if you're into ranch, or even if you're not into ranch, go get yourself a bottle if you're not from here. And if you are from here, just go and order something that the ranch comes with and just taste it, and if you like it, grab yourself a bottle to go. Ooh, they should have paid me because I am selling their food. I also got the barbecue platter, so it's basically fries, barbecue. It has like coleslaw inside the sandwich. And then it comes with baked beans. So my baked beans I put in a separate because I didn't want it to like get all soggy and stuff. The baked beans are pretty good. And then also I got a side of mac and cheese. And they have a like white sauce, a cheddar sauce, and then you can get one with the both of them. So I did the mixed cheese sauce. It's not the greatest mac and cheese. Like I can tell that the cheese is like store-bought. But it is pretty good. I mean, I'm sure like if you brought someone here that wasn't vegan, they would really enjoy it. The next thing that I picked up, I haven't even tried yet, but I will put on the screen if I liked it or not. I mean, maybe I should just try it actually, because it's strawberry taste. Delicious. So it's basically just a strawberry cheesecake. Okay. That is delicious. Actually. I want to say that they make this because all their baked goods they make, I don't think this is Daya cheesecake because it doesn't look like it, so I'm pretty sure that they make this. Oh my god, this tastes like real cheesecake. I don't know how the hell they make this, but it's so good. It doesn't even taste like cashews, like it tastes like a real freaking cheesecake. Look at that, so creamy, so good. I cannot wait to devour this later on today when I'm not full anymore. But overall, I give Imagine Vegan a 9 out of 10. Just because they do take a little longer than I would like for them when they are making food. They were busy though, so I will give them that. But I've come here when it's not so busy and they do still kind of take a little bit. And just because they also use like store-bought foods, I really wish that they would start making more of their own like burger patties and stuff. But I know it's like really awesome to use those things because it is a little bit easier. And yeah, I just really enjoy it because they are catering to a wide variety of people and really making this a very welcoming place. When I first saw this restaurant, I was so surprised to find it in Memphis, especially in a place where there's so much barbecue and like soul food. In the South, you know, there's just a thing. So to find a very catered vegan cafe that has literally anything that you can think of to eat is freaking amazing. So definitely come out and check Imagine Vegan if you are in the area. And if not, when you're coming to Memphis, let me know and I will take you there. It's a good spot. And it's a nice little quiet area. Cooper Young is a very hip place with a lot of artsy and like open-minded people, so I love coming to this area. And my trick for finding parking in this area is parking in the First Congo Church. So it's literally like right around the corner. I'm gonna put like a little map on the screen. And First Congo is a very open-minded church as well. It's pro-LGBT, pro-women, pro-minorities, so I love it. So if you come on a Saturday, you can also go to the First Congo Farmers Market. It's called the Cooper Young Farmers Market. Follow them on Instagram, check them out, see when they're open. And if you're coming to the Farmers Market, just make plans to go to Imagine Vegan Cafe because they're right next to each other. And you can get some vegan fun stuff at the Farmers Market and also get yourself a nice vegan meal at the cafe or a nice vegan dessert. So that is it for today's We Try Vegan episode number 6. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope for your next trip to Memphis you guys try out Imagine Vegan because they are super cool and it's just a really awesome concept to have here in Memphis when you wouldn't even think that there would be nearly anything close, remotely close to this kind of restaurant for catering to vegans and opening up to all kind of people to come in and enjoy vegan food. So come on down. If you're in the area, if you're not in the area, make a trip down here, hit me up, we'll go together. I love it. Also, follow me on all my social medias. It's always the same, at LaComidaJeremie, LaComidaJeremie.com. And I'm also starting to use Facebook a lot more. I'm not a Facebook fan, but I realize a lot of people are on Facebook, so I've been posting a lot more on there. So make sure you guys go over there, follow me, give me a like, and subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.